Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm the marketing manager of Karachi Bakery. So, Karachi Bakery has launched a lot of stuff for Christmas and New Year's. We are especially known for the plum cake as it's the Christmas season, and we have launched our new products such as the jaggery plum cake and the chocolate chip plum cake. And we also have egg and eggless options. We have also come up with a DIY cake where we are giving in two plum cakes, which is the classic plum cake, the jaggery plum cake with custard and chocolate sauce with sprinkles, and Dubai Kunafa chocolate with Dubai Kunafa cookies as well in the DIY box. And then we also have our special chocolate figurines in terms of Santa, reindeer, and a lot of other aspects. And we have covered in a lot of items. As you can see, we have introduced a lot of Merry Christmas hampers, gifts. We are very known for our customized hampers, and we're also very known for our customized cakes. If you can see, we can get any variety of cakes however you want it. You can make your cake your own way, and that is about it. And this is happening in all Karachi Bakery stores. We have more than 20 plus stores here in Hyderabad, and we are also located in Chennai and Bangalore simultaneously. And we have in a lot of options this Christmas, and you will be able to see that the entire Karachi Bakery setup is so lit up with so many decorations and a pure vibe for everyone to come hang out over here and just have a good time and buy in all the cute goodies, cupcakes, and whatever. So right now, if you can see, we have come up with new jaggery plum cake, and then we also have our egg plum cakes. We've also come up with our choco chip plum cakes, and we've introduced a lot of Christmas bags, goodies for people to buy. And as you can see, we have also launched our advent calendar, which is from Cocotini. And the main part, which is the most interesting, is the DIY cake kit. As I mentioned, we are giving in lot of items from this. If you can see, we are giving plum cakes, Dubai Kunafa chocolate, and lot of other goodies that you can see. And next, we have our Christmas figurines. In terms of Santa, reindeer, Christmas tree, we have it all, and we have cute little goodies if you see over here in terms of our chocolate and other stuff as well. Cupcakes for Christmas. We have cute little cupcakes in different style in terms of Christmas tree or any sort of customized way. We can make it according to how you want it as well. Main corner, we have different sort and varieties of plum cakes. If you can see, different wrappings in terms of star or any other thing. Also the choco chip plum cake that we have come up with.